How to turn on or turn off always on display in sleep mode on the Samsung Galaxy S24 series. First, tap on the home button to go back to the home screen, and on the home screen, swipe down at the top and tap on the settings icon. Next, in the settings page, go down and tap on modes and routines. In here, tap on sleep. Then we scroll down and tap on other actions. Now, if you want to simply just turn on or turn off always on display, you can tap on it. And here we can tap on the toggle button to switch it on. And once you turn it on, you have the option to choose the display mode. So you can select auto, always, tap to show, or for new notifications. You can also turn on or turn off show music information, and then tap on done. So that is how you can turn it on or off. Now, if you do not want to use always on display, you can remove it and then tap on done, and that will also remove the always on display action. Here you can add it back in. So tap on the add button and then you can add it back in, and then tap on done. So even if you have always on display switch on, when you turn on sleep mode, then always on display will not turn on if it's set to off. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.